Yeah, we say a short video in bra. Samuel George Opariado Pablo. I got na Power FM. I can find some video. Yeah, we embrace here.
Let me at Roby. Now, almost allegations no. And that's something if you want to airport also. Any airport also no see that.
Sammy so more baby.
Maybe any airport also no see that. Maybe any airport also no see that.
Minim.
Ejuma be no ye.
Minim.
Ogabi, you see. And then the same people who go there, so small boy now who sit down where portios no. All of a sudden, officer be nyeska into a mupe nibia or NDC. Why do we do this to ourselves? Meanwhile, Obi him say, oh, so small boy, Obefi Obi. Oba jiska.
Yeah, me say me the minimum small boy be aboni.
Sabiti if you in America.
Pablo. No, Pablo, your mark.
You see, this is not a leader. Leader be any one to say the Pablo can say. This is someone who is full of bitterness, pettiness. Ubia otan hunu ni nuye peja na yene ya. That is what is at display. Pablo, issues that have been raised against you have been raised against you by discerning people. So you have the right, and now you have a privilege, an opportunity on that big platform. Say, ube sign with you, and otherwise. Nimpa ebo za kwadunu. Sammy Javi is not one of them. When Kevin Taylor and co were here and they're telling you, say, when they scholarship secretary Nino, would be Kanye almost Kanye. It means that's what baby no. So give me one source, baby bako pa. Sammy Javi, ako jina bo Pablo ni aka asem. One source, pe one. Yeni krom ha. And on my FM, I brought you no former MP for Manjanoff. Also, man, my FM presenter. I said, "Wo, Mahama information be I want to bring more MPP for." Pablo, what did you tell those MPP people? They are not me catch them. And then no pay want to me online. Want to me online. This is the publication. Want to me online. Or say want to me say we will let you now call no keep kusu one the tree and one will win you on the more win. What have you said about that? Sammy then feel tiny baby because they are near Shira Branty and I'm composed to troop a branch and then I must see what time of qua. And here we are. And now is this the first time someone is supporting a candidate in an election? Sammy then has no right to support someone he wish can do the work and more support no more no support no. Sabi omo break that time for. So why do you make enemy out of Sammy Javi just because he has also supported a different candidate? Sa pettiness in the area. Sammy Javi being the face of our party. Wouldn't mean you soon know various tertiary institutions. You just tertiary vote no. Why must sa bitterness name through sa yaw name through my yet me kwaya nim. You are too bitter. And mind you, Uncle Paul on my ball pronounced say Pablo Nishira Sammy Javi and Mammy Shana and Son Yamia Bishano. Yamim Bishra will be a nini panko meeting. So God chooses who he wishes to bless. And he has chosen Sammy Javi, has given him the star. In the old Pope in Chenebagaco, Sakuraki to sit down. 25 years now, could member of parliament, parliamentary candidate. No, now also Yanipa. And even in some of Kaka also, you know, so Benadeka. And no answer about the radio, so yeah, Pablo, no about the radio, now can't you pay? Please, we have a party. We have a party to build, an election to win. And this how pettiness and bitterness, you know. Jai, Sammy Javi is none of your problem. O problem, then they say we are home, yeah. O problem, then say young Kokosra. There we are.
Bogabi, and I think when you better strategizing. You need a strategy. Says yes, Sinkunya, yes, strategizing. You require the to me, no. Politics is not starting.
You say NDC, you know, the youth wing, you know, I
made said the youth wing is better than the Amibeto 2016. You know. Maybe I said that youth wing not to tap on some. Maybe I made life abandon this youth wing anymore. I came to fix the problem that faced the youth wing. And then I'm a 10, I 18. And Juma me in the last 4 years. And this youth winger, I be attractive. We have people moving from communication officers to come and contest national youth organizer. So I say, so we have fixed the problem facing the youth wing. And we are on the verge of progress. Gains now you make here and we'll sustain it and go forward. All I'm saying is that we need to sit down as a party, identify maybe the weaknesses and what we seek to achieve. What we want to achieve is to win power in 2024, and that we will do. But I can assure you, sir, for me, I am willing and able to work with everybody
every.
Mugabe, there is something you don't know. In 2019 and even in 2020, I invited some of these people like to my office in Jowulu. And I told them that if the two of us unite, Sammy Bisano, a friend of my office with Jowulu, my law firm with Jowulu, and Sammy said, no, you unite here. We can easily bring the NDC to power. It's in Yamana or Yenijai. Because we use them in Yaketwa. Sabi, menene impression. Akwada, sabi me MC, having an tribute, what's the baby. It's my friend about my office, Ewo Jowulu. And I'm saying, Sammy, and that they be friend of Peace FM. And I'm saying, Sammy, bra, NDC wants to win power. Me fa no afa, Mboa. So come and let's sit down and work together. And I'll be assure me. Me had 2 demonstrations of Kroma when 2 in NCRC. Oh yeah, Rise Ghana. I was there right from day one.
You know, but I'm saying in action.
And I'm like, so me, I have shown leaders.
Until
I'm a passionate, I say, SOB 24. He's flying too high.
No, it seems you have problem with Sammy.
I don't.
More baby one.
On maybe na akoda ide na me na pre ho. And I find him Mugabe. Na me start Bob Brown with Fiabra was there.
Yoko.
Exactly, you know, me ni hwemu aye pre. Ye ba se be some party. But in 90 twa ne doso dodo. Nipa din say ne doso dodo. 80% of Omar Musemi na he's the one behind.
No, we don't have any evidence.
I do.
But
Omar me kwaya metre.
Me ma kwai.
Exactly. You know, we want to make progress. We want to build a party. I am more than willing. And I make a choice say, I have invited him before. Me tonsa friend.
No, say who are you team also no me you must make a face no.
But I net to see youth contest him. But this elections I contested some.
So you have won. So
and I make a choice say he has become an obstacle. As simple as ABCD. You go move now who is behind it?
You move on. I say I'll be that woman, but when you feel my
the
youth are listening to
for over when I was waiting for these elections, and he's not talking, and it is true. That is why he's not talking. Because it is not true. I was focused on winning my elections. I was not going to waste my energy and time fighting antelopes. Now I am done, so now I can focus. So I tell you,
but look as I say,
Mugabe, people do, and I'm saying, I am soft spoken, but I have another side. And so, you may take me for granted. But the second phase, action in Kuti. Second phase, action in Kwa. The second time,
and yeah, action and fire my power.
Action and the power. And anybody who becomes an obstacle, according to say, so we are going to take power for the NDC at all costs. But anybody who becomes an obstacle, and we are serving a notice in penny for no. Because we must win power at all costs. And here might be personally what we all seek to achieve. So Mugabe, I can assure the youth of the NDC the same way I'm leading them 4 years ago, I'm going to lead them in that same spirit and that same direction. And this time around, it is going to be more action-oriented. The second phase of the Pablo project, and I told them, action in Kote,